Hey y'all, so decorating for the holidays is one of my favorite things, but let's be real, it can be a little overwhelming, and trying to string up lights on bushes can be an absolute total nightmare. But that's why I was so excited to try out these LED Christmas net lights, and let me tell you, they made decorating this year so much easier. So every year I used to spend forever untangling lights or trying to make them fit evenly on the shrubs. It was such a hassle, and honestly, it took all of the fun out of it. But these net lights really solved that problem. Each net is 5 by 7 feet, so it's easy to use. You just unroll it, lay them over your shrubs or bushes, and that's it. No tangling, no guesswork. Plus, they're really super durable with the strong green wires that don't break apart, even if you're moving them around a lot like me. And get this, you can connect up to 12 sets end to end to cover your entire yard. So no more worrying about running out of lights. And they're waterproof, so you can leave them up all season long if you really wanted to. Just keep the plug dry and you're good to go. So definitely try these out. They're definitely a game changer for us, and I'm sure you'll love them too.